This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann Silvers. Hope you are having a lovely day. Actually, it's evening. It's really early in the morning. It's like 1:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm really wide awake. I actually got up this morning earlier, got off a 12-hour shift. I did sleep a lot all day, and now I'm wide awake, okay? I'm just a night owl. Like, if you love working graveyard, you're out and about at night. So I'm really wide awake. But I wanted to start my video because I did make the challenge with the Ching 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 goes the money tree. And I just want to do, I'm just going to say it right now. Okay, this is actually kind of like my second video, but I'm going to do it right now for you. Ching 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 goes the money tree. And every time a ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and above under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time a ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. All right, guys, I got it memorized. I'm excited. All right, but if you want to hear it again, I can do it over and over. I'm going to try to make it fast, okay? Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time a ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. Yay! When I say this for 21 days, guys, you're going to actually really boost your energy. You're going to have high vibration because you're thinking positive and you're manifesting that mantra in your life, in reality, right? Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time a ching, money comes to me. It all flows in so abundantly from the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm a money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. Debt, all debt is paid. Yay! I actually, guys, I'm wearing double glasses, if you can see. These glasses right here is kind of like, it sounds like a blue ray, so it actually prevents my eyes. It prevents it from getting blurred. It's like a computer. It protects your eyes from the computer. Okay, so don't mind if I'm wearing double glasses because that's what I'm using. But I'm so excited. I feel like doing the mantra again. How about you guys? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time the money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly. From top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, 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 I'm money wave. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out, plus money saved. That all gets paid. All right? Okay, see? I got it, okay? But anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited. I know everyone is, as a lot of us are going to be monetized, especially the earlier groups. Okay, we started our channel last year, so this is the year that everybody's going to be monetized, and I'm really happy for everybody. Congratulations, everyone. But all right, I'm going to end it up with this. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. All right, take a look at my videos. If you want to learn how to make money online, you're going to have to follow me and subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every day. I did promise to upload my latest video about my mentor, my other mentor, who is Matt Parr. And I'm actually gonna go into my training tonight, and I'm gonna have to dig really deep and get more information, learn more information from him. A lot of times I have to go over and over to understand because he talks really fast, guys. But his program is worth it. if you sign up for the free training, just go ahead and sign up for the free training, guys. It could be very expensive. If you see like it says $1,000 to join, if you stick out with the meeting, through the live meeting, he might give you guys a discount at the end, or you can make monthly payments with him. And like me, I had to start with making partial payments, and then I made monthly payments. But I'm really, really, really happy with that program because it's an excellent program, guys. You want to make your YouTube as part of your income for you to bring in to your family, your livelihood. This is the easiest way actually to make money online is creating a YouTube channel, because all you got to do is create videos. And if you have the passion to make videos every day, then this is for you. Take the chance, make it, do it, claim it, and you get your channel monetized, and you will become successful online. Okay, so this is one of the keys where I will actually, this is going to help me become more, actually be my own boss. I'll be able to quit my part-time job as a CNA. I am a nurse assistant. I work in a subacute unit, and I've kind of slowed down on my other job because I was working there too as like per diem part-time. But since my channels are going to be monetized, I'm just going to totally quit where I have income still coming in. All right, guys, plan your goal, write down your goal, know your whys, know your intentions, and make sure you do your meditations, confession, and believing, and seeing the picture of who you really are right now in the future, and just do it and act it and speak it out, and it will come to pass, and you guys will become successful. Right? Let's end it with the Ching Ching Ching. Okay. But first, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your likes and your comments. I appreciate it. And I thank you guys from the Buddy Group for supporting my channel too all through this time. So let's end it with Ching 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 goes a money tree. And every time the money comes to me, it all flows in so abundantly. From top left, right, and abundantly. Way, 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 one money way. Money flow, money made. Flowing in and out plus money saved. That all gets paid. All right.